Welcome to Kelly's Outdoor Adventures on YouTube, RV Drifters on Rumble. I'm going to begin this video with our drive into Delaware to Wendell's Garage to get some of the slide repairs done on our travel trailer NILLY that were just a little bit more work than I wanted to do. We decided to take the long way. It was mid-October and the colors were in full bloom, so I'm going to kind of go to Delaware the long way around. Just enjoy the view. Well, we're here. We got her parked and went in and got her all checked in and ready for her service. And just as a quick review, the slide was leaving a mark on the floor, and there was also the rubber seal, or the rubber, yeah, I guess you'd call it slide seal, that I didn't feel comfortable switching out. So that's what we're dropping her off for. And with the magic of YouTube, it is just 3 days later, and we're heading back in to pick her up. Good morning. Well, we're heading into Wendell's garage to pick up Nilly, and I'm kind of excited to see the work done. We'll give you an update shortly. So Wendell's garage, formerly Bowerly's, is in Delaware, Ohio. They work on a whole variety of things, from RVs to old antique cars. They even do a lot of DeLoreans. But it's a great place to take your RV or camper and get it repaired. Charlie here at Wendell's Garage did a heck of a job. Looks nice. It's a whole new piece. And there is sealant under there. And look, he did a good job sealing right across the top here as well. Very happy. So you remember we were using the aluminum on the road if we ever had any issues like that. He gave us 2 pieces of this slide material. Find it here. There, the 2 black ones, and it was pretty cool. They're like silicone sliding, and they're a little bit thicker. Let me turn this around here. Material, and he said if we'll take them with us, and if we're ever on the road, instead of using the aluminum that we've been using, he recommended using these. So just kind of keep them on board if we ever have a slide emergency, to use that. It works a lot better. I thought it was pretty cool. Kudos to Wendell's Garage and to Charlie who worked on it. Thank you very much. And we're getting ready to hit the road, and got her back just in time. Slide's a little noisy. We'll have to make sure we get home and apply some grease or lube. It's not really grease, but it is a lube. But yeah, it's kind of nice coming in, not rubbing the floor back there. Real happy. It's all hooked up, and we're going to head home.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You
know, it's important that we keep Nilly in good repair. We use her a lot. And it's kind of like our second home sometimes. So I'm going to apply some clear silicone adhesive and just
put it right down through here and just kind of help seal that in. And other than that, I think he did a perfect job.
Sometimes you need to go.
Time of this video, we've had Nilly now about 22 months, I'd say, and we've probably got between 33 and 35,000 miles on her. She's been to Arizona and back twice, Florida and back twice, Georgia and back several times, and then just all over Tennessee, Ohio. So yeah, we're kind of treat her as our second home, and we're going to keep maintaining her and hopefully get several more years out of her. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow and do all the things.
Forever free.
And of course, until next time, cheers everybody.